Hello guys, welcome back to Good Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Fingerprint is not working on your OnePlus Open and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one and the foremost step you can try is you can do a restart on your OnePlus Open, and after a simple restart you have to check and the issue will be completely fixed, because a simple restart can fix a lot of issue. So you can try with the simple restart, and once after done with the restart we have to move to the next one. That is all about we have to remove the fingerprint and we have to add it back. So just go over here in the settings. Now from here we just need to keep scrolling down and we need to navigate to the fingerprint. Okay, you can search over here So now from here, as you can see, you have to go over here in the fingerprint. Now from here you have to tap on the fingerprint and you have to add the fingerprint over here. So you have to set the fingerprint, and once already any kind of fingerprint is already there, you have to remove it, and once afterwards you remove it, you have to add it back, and once you are done with this one, you have to check by giving this, and you have to check whether the issue is solved. Still, if you are having the trouble, the next one is all about you have to update your phone. That is what you have to do. For this, we just need to go over here and navigate to the settings, tap on the settings. Now from here, keep scrolling down and navigate to about device. Now from here, go to the oxygen over here and you have to check for the update. And as you can see right now, it is on the up to date. So if you're having any kind of pending update, just update your OS to the latest version, and that is what you have to do. Fourth step is all about we have to do this. We just need to do a factory reset on your phone. For this, we just need to go over here in the additional settings. Keep scrolling down and navigate to backup and reset. Now go for the reset phone. Now from here, go for reset old settings, which is all about, go over here, erase old data, which is like a factory resetting. So just go for the factory settings and just erase everything, and it will be like a fresh start your phone. And afterwards, you have to try, and most probably, the issue will be completely fixed by this. And this is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.